gotta watch these niggas, shit get dangerous. In my mind, ain't no chick that I can't get. Still gotta watch these hoes, shit get dangerous. Yeah, shit get dangerous. Crazy how this shit go down, I wouldn't change shit.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna be doing a oil change on the KTM RC 390 2020. It's gonna actually be the first service on it. I have about 800 miles on it. I was supposed to do it at 620, but you know how that goes. Okay, so I went and grabbed the oil, top speed 4T 15W50, and there was only one spot that had it. Well, actually Chaparral Motorsports had it, but I just went back to Del Amo Motorsports where I got the bike and went and grabbed the oil, so I was happy they had it, of course. And I'm gonna just be using a K&N. I don't know how good these are. Some people don't like K&N oil filters, but whatever. I'm just gonna put it in there and try it out. And yeah. Okay, first things first, I gotta take off this lower belly fender. I already took off the 2 screws. That goes right there, if you can see it. And there's a screw right here and another screw like that on the other side. Then next you gotta just pull this out right there. So one on that side and then pull it out on the other side, and then it should come right off. Let's see. Oh, yep, there it goes. Okay, so we got the lower belly pan off and we got our 4 screws sitting right there. All right, now we're gonna get the 18mm socket. Go over to this side, and then I gotta take off this one, and then I gotta take off that one. Yeah, well, I think my drain plug in there too, or the oil plug. Gotta clean that. Set the screw. Oh no, it just comes straight out. Okay. Make sure you guys clean this off too. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off real good as well. We'll go on and loosen this one up. Let's see if this one's a 13. Once again, I have no room. You guys see how much stuff that oil screen is collecting? And this is my first time ever doing a service on a brand new bike. Okay, so we just got these cleaned up pretty well. Not too bad. The 18mm. Got it cleaned up pretty well. And then we're gonna go around to the other side and put the oil filter on, change that. And now I'm mad because I had bought a torque wrench because I didn't have a torque wrench. And I wanna put this to the exact torque. So I'm not gonna do it that tight because it's aluminum. But I'm gonna get a torque wrench and put it to where I'm supposed to. Here's the Titan. There, that's it, not doing any more. Let's go around to this side. Then we gotta take this oil filter off. All right, just took the oil filter cap off, letting the oil drain all the way out. Clean the cap off and pull the oil filter out. And then you're gonna install the new one. So literally this was crazy to take out. I had to use like 2 flathead screwdrivers, but now I finally got it. It's coming out now. There we go. There we go. So let this finish draining out, and then I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit. And we're ready to go to put the new oil filter on and put the oil in. We should be good to go. Okay, we have it all clean. Now we can put the new oil filter on. haven't heard the best things about K&N oil filters, but we're gonna give it out a try. Should be alright, man. I think I've used it before on the R6, so should be okay. Let's get these bolted back up. Oh, gotta clean that off again. Let's do a little bit more. Right there. Right there. Now it's time to put the oil in. I already took the oil plug off. Oil level is really low, so we're gonna put the first bottle in. The bike takes 1.6 liters. I got 2 liters here, and I'm just gonna put like 1.5, 1.6 in right now, or like basically both bottles. And then we're gonna turn the bike on for a little bit, let it run for like a minute or two, and then see where the oil level is. Maybe see if I have to put a little bit more in, but we should be good. Okay, let's put the funnel on. All right, let's go on and start it up. The level is already looking pretty good. I have a little bit more to put in there, so not too bad. Start it up. Oh, I'm actually at 900 miles. I'm like 280 miles over. We good. Let it run for a little bit. Just a little bit lower. Let's go on and put the rest in. Okay, so we put the bike back on the stand. I actually took it off and I ran it for a little bit because I'm actually supposed to run it with it on the stand, but I mean with it off the stand. Let's check our levels now. Yep, looks pretty close to the blue. I actually think I might need a little bit more, but I mean, that's pretty cool. I put the whole 2 bottles in. It's pretty weird, but I don't know. Looks good to me. I might get 1 more bottle. Wasn't that expensive, so I can maybe add a little bit more. But yeah, first oil change. I'm gonna put the bottom belly pan back on, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.